coordinate graphing. Coordinate graphing is a way of finding things or locating things on a grid. Sometimes those grids are used as maps. What is a coordinate graph? A coordinate graph is a grid marked with letters on one side, see the A, B, C, D, E, and numbers on the other side. You can use these letters and numbers like driving directions to find objects on the grid. Often maps are laid out in this type of grid, and it can give you coordinates to find things on a map. How do you find things on the coordinate graph? Well, each time there is something placed on the coordinate graph, there will be an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a letter and a number paired together or listed together that you can use to find a point on the grid. When we look at this grid, Piggy is on the intersection of the letter C and the number 2. If you place your fingers on the C, one pointer on the C and one pointer finger on the 2, and you drive them together until you get to the intersection of those two lines, that's where Piggy is. So the ordered pair that Piggy is on is C and 2, C2. Let's find these 4 characters on our grid. First, let's look at and find Gerald. Gerald is marked by a pink dotted line. Put your fingers on the pink dotted lines. This dotted line goes all the way up the A line, and this dotted line goes all the way over on what number? The number 4. So Gerald is on the A4 ordered pair. Now let's look at Piggy. Piggy has the yellow line. What letter is Piggy on? Here's Piggy. She's on letter C and number 2. So if you were to put your fingers, go down on each line, you would find that she's on C and 2. So her coordinate or her ordinate pairs or her ordered pair is C2. How about the pigeon? He's the green line. So start at the pigeon. If you follow your finger down, you see that he's on B, and you follow your finger over, he's on number 1. So his ordered pair is B1. Finally, let's find Trixie and Nufflebunny. Where are Trixie and Nufflebunny? Here they are over here. They have a blue line. So if we start at Trixie and Nufflebunny and we follow one finger down their line, they're on letter D. So up here it would be D. And what number are they on? Follow over here to the number 3. So they'd be D and 3. Their ordered pair is D3. Now I want you to try it. Write down the ordered pair for each character on this graph. Elsa, Emmy, Despero Tilling, Big Nate, Furry as a werewolf, and Greg the wimpy kid. Bring in the ordered pairs tomorrow to share with a partner.